Greetings, I am Akash Raju, the Chief Executive Officer of Mallur Flora and Hospitality Private Limited. The production facility of Mallur Flora and Hospitality Private Limited is used for the production of Ayurvedic medicines and health supplements. It is funded by the Industrial Financial Corporation of India. The production facility is located 40 kilometers from Bangalore International Airport, and the campus borders the project area of Mastinahalli Industrial Phase 2 by the Government of Karnataka, which spans for over 700 acres. The factory campus itself spans for over 40 acres, and apart from the facility itself, the campus consists of a mango orchard and a grape orchard. A considerable space has been dedicated for growing medicinal plants too. From the 40 acres of the campus, 10.5 acres has been converted for industrial use. The carpet area of the production facility spans over 90,000 square feet. As of now, the production capacity is 2 lakh bottles, that is 1 lakh liters a day. Once this project realizes its full potential, it can have a turnover of Rs 7,000 crores. The entire processing facility is mechanized. It is also ensured that the lowest possible human intervention is required during the production process, hence removing the possibility of any unexpected contaminants. The production facility also comprises of an in-house laboratory. As of now, the processing unit produces 8 variants of herbal products, namely anti-aging support, ortho care support, cardiovascular support, liver care support, renal care support, gastro support, immune care support, and sugar care support. In addition to that, we have extended our production line to a number of health supplements. We produce 8 variants of health supplements which are marketed internationally, namely Ved Nature, Ved Orthoa, Ved Hartica, Ved Liver, Ved Renalis, Ved Gastroa, Ved Immune, and Ved Insulina. And also oils like flax oil and kalonji oil. We also produce herbal powders like Ved Stamina. As of now, we have obtained further licenses for the production and processing of spices with medicinal properties. We will start producing it soon. We would like to thank the Industrial Financial Corporation of India to help fund this project. Thank you very much.